Hola chicos, today we are going to discuss the long form possessive adjectives slash pronouns. Why are they slash pronouns? Because they can be used as pronouns in Spanish. You already know Spanish possessive adjectives and we're going to review them briefly, and then we're going to move on to the long form possessive adjectives. So these ones are the possessive adjectives that you already know, the short form. Yeah, so please remember, the most important thing will be the word order is different. Possessive adjectives in Spanish are going to be used before nouns, unlike the descriptive adjectives. Number two, in Spanish, every noun has a gender and a number. So the possessive adjectives will follow the nouns in the number and the gender. It's very important. And then finally, in English, when you use the possessive adjectives, his car or her cat, it gives you the information about the owner. In Spanish, it gives you the information about the item possessed. What do I mean? His cat gives you the information that the owner is male. The owner is a male, and you might need this information or you might not need it. In Spanish, instead, su gato will give you the information about the item possessed or the person in question, so that su will be singular if it is one cat, and it will be sus gatos if the cat is in plural. And nuestro gato will give you the information that it is our cat and it is a male, while nuestra gata will give you the information that the cat is female. You might not need that information, but I just need to mention it because that is the difference between the English and Spanish possessive adjectives. So you have here subject pronouns, yo. Possessive is me or mis for plural, tú, you, informal, tú or tus for possessive adjective, yours, él, ella, usted, su and sus, he, she, you formal, it will be his, hers or yours if it is sir or madam, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras, our, and it will be according to the number and the gender of the item, vuestro, vuestras, vuestros, and vuestra. That is used only in Spain, it is you plural. And finally you have ustedes and ellos, you plural and they, and it will be su and sus according to the number of the item possessed. Okay? So this is the short form. Let's see the long form. So it will be for yo, mío, mía, mías, míos. For tú, it will be tuyo, tuya, tuyas, tuyos. It will be for él, ella, usted, suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Nuestro, nuestras, nuestros, vuestra, vuestras, vuestros, used only in Spain, remember, and suyo, suyos, suya, suyas, for ustedes and ellos. So the word order will be different. These ones, the possessive adjectives, long form, will be following the nouns instead of preceding them. So, for example, hija mía, my daughter, or literally the daughter of mine. Hijo mío, my son. So in this case, know that mía depends on the daughter and not on the somebody whose daughter it is. Same thing for the mío. So I have here example. Mi teléfono es malo, pero el tuyo es muy bueno. My telephone is bad. And this one is the, as you remember, it is the short form of the possessive. Pero el tuyo es muy bueno. El tuyo is the long form, and note that with the long form we also use the definite article. Okay. Mi teléfono es malo, pero el tuyo es muy bueno. The tuyo is sensitive to the gender and number of the word telephone, the item possessed. Alright, let's see, we have here two rabbits, and one of the rabbits says, esta zanahoria es mía y aquella es tuya. So, you can skip the definite article if you're dealing with the verb to be, and then only if only the possession is in question. Zanahoria is feminine, singular noun. Zanahoria, and that's why it will be mía. Make sense? Because it's feminine, singular, feminine, singular. Aquella, feminine, singular. Tuya, feminine, singular. See how it fits together? Alright, so why do you need the long form adjectives? For the style. You use it for poetry and for poetic texts. And then you use it for the emphasis. Like in English you say, it's mine. And in Spanish, es mío, again, will be used for the emphasis. Finally, I wanted to mention that these long form adjectives will have different word order because normal possessives precede the nouns, possessive adjectives, and long form possessives will follow the nouns. Second of all, long form adjectives can be used as pronouns if you avoid the noun. If you say, for example, la mía instead of mi hija, for example, you could use it as pronouns. And finally, you will need the article unless it will be about purely the information in question will be possession, and it will be the verb to be. I hope it was clear. I hope you can use your long form adjectives / pronouns now. If you require another explanation, just let me know. I will re-record it. Okay? Ciao, pescao.